मान्सून केरळान पावल्या उपरांत वातावरण तशेंच पोषक उरल्यार 8 दिसां भितर गोंयान पावता. गोंयान सध्या मान्सून पूर्व पावस सुरू जाला. फुडल्या 24 वरां भितर गोंयच्या खुबशा वाठारांनी बरेपैकी पावस पडूं येता. गोंयचे वेधशाळेक आतां हांगासरल्या रडाराचेर गोंयचो वेदर डेटा मेळटा.
आज केरला में मानसून पहुंच गया है. नॉर्मल डेट केरला में पहुंचने का 1 जून है और 2 दिन पहले 30 मई को जो है गोवा में ऑनसेट हो गया है. सो टिल डेट द मानसून एडवांसमेंट इज नॉर्मल. So if it is fully normal, we are expecting at around 6 it will take place, or it will be, if some delay will be there, 1 or 2 day after 6 it will be declared, but the date is not forecasted. So we are expecting 6 onwards. Abhi we are finding that one offshore trough has formed. That is a good thing for monsoon. So abhi just now today we have seen that one offshore trough is running from South Maharashtra to Kerala coast. So due to that some rainfall activity will start in Goa. So for next 24 hours light to moderate rain will occur at many places in Goa, and after that, since that cyclone will go and that little less rain will be there, then after 2nd to 5th day light to moderate rain at few places will be there, but next 24 hours some good rain is expected.
मोरा वादळाचो खंय गोंयान व्हडलोसो परिणाम दिसचो ना.
नहीं, वो साइक्लोन जो है इट इज़ नाउ क्रॉसिंग टू बर्मा. बे ऑफ बंगाल साइक्लोन मोरा, इट इज़ क्रॉसिंग टू बर्मा, नॉट श्रीलंका. तो अभी दैट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू अफेक्ट मच टू आवर प्लेस.
भारतीय वेधशाळा उक्तायता त्या अदमासा प्रमाण अंदू मॉन्सून नॉर्मल आसतलो. मान्सून केरळान वर्सा परस 2 दीस पयलींच पावला. हरशी तो 2 जून मेरेन पावतालो.
If you look at standard deviation of onset of monsoon, it is about 5 days. A normal date of onset of monsoon over Kerala is 1st June. So you can say 2 days before the normal date is arrived, but within standard deviation. So therefore it is a normal onset over Kerala. The second stage of forecast will be issued next week, where we will give more specifics about the regional distribution of rainfall and rainfall during the individual months like July and August. 3 days earlier by India Meteorological Department, the severe cyclone storm Mora crossed Bangladesh coast today between 7:30 and 9:30 hours IST, about 30 kilometers south of Chittagong. And at the time of landfall, it was a severe cyclonic storm, and it has already started causing rainfall over the northeastern states. And we have declared onset of monsoon over northeastern states, especially parts of Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur, and eastern Arunachal Pradesh.
Bureau report, Prudent.